All right, it's gonna be a long day here on the farm. It is a rainy day. Spunky, you are out of control. Come here. I got him. I got my big Spunky. Look at my baby Spunky. I caught him. I caught him. He's soaking wet. It is so cold, but it's not gonna snow today, they say. So it's gonna be a long day here. Our animals here are domesticated farm animals, so technically most farm animals don't mind the rain. But as you can see, our puppies would rather be in here. They're getting a little wild this morning. And Olivia, look at my Spunky. Olivia, the mother hen, doesn't want to come out. And I'll tell you why. Because, look at her, look, she's gonna run away. She's like, nope. It's because of him, this little character right here. He can't wait for her to come out because he says, that's my new mama. She's old enough to be your grandmother. You hear me? All right, guys. So the biggest thing about today is going to be I'm not going to be able to really leave them unattended because I can see the puppies getting a little out of control. Chasing the birds, and we don't want that, right? We don't want that. Anyway, I wish this was snow, but it's not. Spunky, come here, Spunky. Come here, Spunky. Spunky, Spunky. Get him all big, Spunky. Hey, hey. Why you don't bite my hand? Why you don't bite my hand, huh? Come here. Look at those feet. Oh my, look at those feet. That's a spunky, silly rooster, huh? Here you go. All right. Well, perhaps today's a good day for me to get a good book or something and bring it down here and read, because I am going to have to keep an eye on them today. Lord help me.